welcome back to our channel. I'm Marquee and this is
Bella.
So today we received a package from Little Experimenter, Talking Globe, and thank you so much for sending this to us to review for free. And everything that we say in this video is our own opinion, and this Talking Globe is good for ages 8 and up, and you could use the Talking Globe interactive smart pen right here. And you could use the interactive smart pen to learn about the following facts around the globe, which I think is pretty cool. And there's 300 geographic quiz questions, and this interactive smart pen requires 2 AAA batteries. So Bella, let's get learning.
I'm so excited.
Oh, I can already see the globe. Okay.
Wow!
Oh, there's a pen here. Okay, let's take out the pen.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Right here, can you guys see the pen?
Look at it.
Beautiful.
Oh my god.
Super high tech.
I will play this and I will play this. It will be fun, guys.
Look at the globe. It's huge. Beautiful. Okay, so here's everything inside. Let's unwrap this.
Yeah.
Oh, from the bottom.
Oh. I'll help you.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Ah! I
Oh
don't
my
know.
god, there's tape. Check it out.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Whoa, you can actually spin.
Oh, you can spin it. Pretty cool. So that's the globe, and here's the pen.
And then
Cool. Okay guys, so this is the Talking Globe. As you guys can see, it's super colorful, but you might see that it's small, but it's super clear to read, and you could turn it in whatever thing you want. As you guys can see here. And here is the menu panel. And I think over here, yep, is the game panel right here. Very cool. Also, this globe does not need the batteries, and it's super light right here. And look guys, it doesn't need batteries. It's only the pen. And this is where you put your pen to rest. And here's the pen. Here is the on and off button. Your earphone jack is right here. The mode selection is right here. The repeat button, the stop button, and the if you want to put the volume higher, this is it. And if you want to put it lower, here it is.
if you want to make it louder, you can
Press it and then it'll become louder.
press it and you can, and then it's got to be louder.
Okay, let's turn it on.
Ooh.
Just point the smart pen at the globe to discover hundreds of exciting world facts.
All right, let's. Also, guys, here's the speaker. It's actually very cool. It's
Yeah.
symmetrical. And here's the sensor. Okay, let's do country.
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 Okay, let's do United States.
United States.
Okay, what about you, Bella?
Okay.
Do your own. Very colorful over here.
Saudi Arabia.
Saudi Arabia. Okay, let's move on to the next one, which is area.
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 Let's choose the most biggest country.
Whoa.
Territorial area is about 17,075,400 square kilometers.
This is very large. Okay, here you go.
Okay. Let me look. Right here.
Territorial area is about 2,717,300 square kilometers.
300?
Okay, guys, let's do area. Here,
Area.
area. Let's go to the biggest country, which is Russia.
Ooh.
This is the big green part.
Territorial area is about 17,075,400 square kilometers.
That's very big, Bella.
Yeah.
Okay, let's choose. Which one to
Okay.
choose?
Let me choose this one.
Territorial area is about 2,717,300 square kilometers.
If you guys didn't see it, she chose Kazakhstan. I don't know how to pronounce that. Sorry if I accidentally mispronounced that. Okay, guys, let's do this. Also, you don't need to press the button here. You could just drag it over because it has a sensor. Let's do capital.
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 Let's do something random. Algeria.
Algiers is the capital of Algeria.
Ooh, Algier. Okay. You choose?
Okay, let me choose. Right, this.
That one next to Algeria.
Nouakchott is the capital of Mauritania.
Nouakchott. I think I don't know if I accidentally mispronounced that. Okay, let's go to geography.
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 Okay, so let's do Saudi Arabia.
Extensive coastlines on the Persian Gulf and Red Sea provide great leverage on shipping, especially crude oil, through the Persian Gulf and Suez Canal.
Ooh, good transportation. Okay, you choose.
Okay, hope I don't press the button.
Let's do something down here because we haven't done anything here yet.
Over here.
Argentina?
The second largest country in South America after Brazil. Strategic location relative to sea lanes between the South Atlantic and the South Pacific Oceans.
Wow.
Strait of Magellan, Beagle Channel, and Drake Passage.
Ooh.
Diverse geophysical landscapes range from tropical climates in the north to tundra in the far south. Cerro Aconcagua is the Western Hemisphere's tallest mountain, while Laguna del Carmen is the lowest point in the Western Hemisphere. Shares Iguazu Falls, the world's largest waterfall system, with Brazil.
Okay, let's go to national anthem, and we'll only be playing a clip of it
National
because
anthem.
we support all of the national anthems. Let's do America.
America.
United States of America. Okay, that's America. Okay, you do what you want to do.
Okay.
Let's choose something random. Let's spin the globe, spin the globe, spin the... Okay, Bella chose Philippines. Let's go to
Where's
Philippines.
Philippines?
Right here.
Right here. Philippines.
Ooh, very catchy. Okay, let's do language.
What catchy?
Language.
Language. Okay, let's go to Sudan.
Arabic, English, Nubian, Beja, Fur, and other local languages.
Oh, I didn't know they speak English.
English.
Okay, Bella's gonna choose where she wants to go
How
for
about here?
language.
English, Italian, Greek.
Ooh, I did not know that they speak
Oh my.
Greek. Okay, let's go to population. Let's see how many
Populations.
people.
Population.
Okay, I want to do Russia because it is the largest country. So,
Russia's total population is about 142,834,000.
100?
4 million.
Oh my god.
Okay, let's get somewhere. Spin the globe, spin the globe.
Spin, spin, spin.
Okay, somewhere here. In the center, right here.
Let's do this one. We do this one. Right?
That one, you see?
No.
Brazil.
Brazil's total population is about 200,362,000.
Oh my.
Okay, let's go. Okay, guys, let's do currency.
Currency.
Currency. Okay, let's do
Where you gonna pick Marquee?
where we haven't gone to yet. Let's do Poland.
Poland.
Zloty.
Zaladi. Okay.
Salati. I will do this one. We did do it.
Kina.
Yeah. Ooh.
Ooh.
Okay, area code. Let's see area code.
Area code.
Area code. Okay. Let's do Spain.
Spain.
Actually, Morocco.
The
That's
area
not bad.
code of Morocco is plus 212.
212. Okay.
212. Ooh, that's cool.
Mm-hmm.
Which one? Which one?
Just use
How
a
about
random one.
Here.
The area code of Madagascar is plus 261.
261. That's close to 22. 202. Okay, let's do climate.
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 Climate. Let's do Alaska. Where's Alaska?
Where's Alaska?
Right here.
Here.
The climate in the United States is mostly temperate,
Oh,
but tropical in Hawaii and Florida, Arctic in Alaska, semi-arid in the Great Plains west of the Mississippi River, and arid in the Great Basin of the Southwest.
Ooh,
Low winter
Ooh.
temperatures in the Northwest are ameliorated occasionally in January and February by warm Chincook winds from the eastern slopes of the Rocky Mountains.
Rocky
Ooh.
Romans.
Rocky Mountains, Bella. Okay, you
Rocky.
choose where you want to go.
Okay, let me pick. You
Let's-
want it?
Let's go to somewhere we haven't gone to yet. Yeah?
okay.
Okay, let's go to somewhere over here. There's a lot of things over here. It's super colorful.
Let's do this.
The climate in South Africa is mostly semi-arid, with subtropical along the east coast and sunny days and cool nights.
Ooh, subtropical.
That sounds
I think
nice.
we've done all the menus. Okay guys, not only is this globe about learning, but there's also a game here with 300 questions.
Welcome to the most wonderful game, Area A. In this area, there are 30 passes with 5 questions of each pass.
Dirty
Ooh.
passes.
Okay, let's talk about the review. Okay, what I think about this globe, it's super awesome and it's super cool. Not only could you learn about the countries, you can also learn about their currency, their language, their climate, and it's very cool. Okay, it's about the pen. I think that it speaks very clearly, and there's actually many modes, and it's like super fun to play with this because if we like had homework about geography, I think we would definitely go to this.
It's super fun.
Also, Bella, did you learn anything?
Yeah.
Do you think that you would go back to this again in the future?
Yeah.
Also, as you guys can see, the sensor actually works, but I think it's pretty cool. Okay guys, that's it. I hope you like our video. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye guys!
Mwah, 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 mwah.